Well, I used to wake the morning before the rooster crowed, searching for soda bottles to get myself some dough. Brought him down to the corner, down to the country store. Cash him in and give my money to a man named Curtis Lowe. Old Kurt was a black man with white curly hair. When he had a fifth of wine, he did not have a care. He used to want an old dobro, used to play it across his knee. I give old Kurt my money, he'd play all day for me. Play me a song, Curtis Lowe, Curtis Lowe. Well, I've got your drinking money, tune up your dobro. People said he was useless, them people are the fools. Curtis Lowe was the finest speaker to ever play the blues. He lived to be 60, maybe I was 10. Mama used to work me, but I could see him again. I clap my hands, storm my feet, trying to stay in time. He'd play me a song or two, then take another drink of wine. Play me a song, Curtis Lowe, Curtis Lowe. I got your drinking money, tune up your dobro. People said he was useless, them people are the fools. 'Cause Curtis Lowe was the finest speaker to ever play the blues. On the day old Curtis died, nobody came to pray. Old preacher said some words and they chunked him in the clay. Well, he lived a lifetime playing the black man's blues. And on the day he lost his life, that's all he had to lose. Play me a song, Curtis Lowe, Curtis Lowe. I wish that you was here so everyone would know. People said he was useless, them people are the fools. 'Cause Curtis Lowe was the finest speaker to ever play the blues.
passt, oder?
Nur jetzt.
Gott sei Dank ist gut.
Weißt du,